Today is Monday 24th, 2025, and I'm here at the Edison, New Jersey Rainforest Cafe. Many people remember this place as a really fun place to eat at. I know there's one at Disney that's very popular, but as you can see, it is now officially permanently closed. It closed last Wednesday, I don't know the exact date, but it was pretty sad news to hear that it was permanently closing. It seems like they were doing fine business-wise, but the mall did not want them there. And they wanna, from what I've read, it seems like they're trying to make it maybe a bowling alley or something, but I don't know. I don't really get it. The mall itself right now, they're closing in a couple minutes. It's pretty dead, but I still wanted to show the whole area because this is gonna be gone soon. So as you can see over here, the door, they crossed out the rainforest. That would be like an employee entry, but the detail and design of all these leaves and flowers is really just great. You can see this. You can even see here actually how they made it. It was water pipes, water hoses, like outside. Put that there. No, I'm not stealing anything before anyone asks. You can even see where the R, rain, and then you can, because it was a little cuffed out, but there's probably the I think that's Cafe CA. It's hard to tell because I painted it all white, but as you can see here, tons and tons of design and leaves and fake leaves. Now, I don't know exactly when this opened. It must have been 90s, maybe 80s, but it's a really nostalgic place for a lot of people. And this is once again the Edison, New Jersey location. There is also the Atlantic City location, but everything here, the rock work, really just shows that the quality put in everything. There, over here we have misters, right? So that would mist the water, and this would have maybe like a waterfall right there. More misters, maybe some lights in here. Let's see. Lights? Yeah, it looks like maybe those are lights and misters. Usually this would be filled with water, bubbling. Here's actually where they would mount the alligator. I know already at this point in time, the alligator has been sent off. It is believed that the animatronics at this location will be sent away to other locations. And I'll show you guys in just 1 minute the inside of here. But I still want to show you guys all the detail and stuff. Speakers, this used to be playing Rainforest sounds. Big tree, and we'll go take a little look at this animatronic right here. This is the snake animatronic that is outside the restaurant here. You can see some close-ups now. In my opinion, why would they send this to another place? It's in pretty rough shape, but to each their own. Eyelids right there, some eyes. Now, I wouldn't usually do this, but because they are closed and it's either getting trashed or something, you can see how he's kind of limp, and I can move it around a little bit, as he would do on the daily for a long time. Oops, sorry. Hello. He is a really neat animatronic. I know his tail up there wiggles, and also his like body is fiberglass, so it's almost like a rubbery material, but really neat guy, really interesting animatronic. If we go over here, this is the big mushroom. Let's get back to normal view. Some plugs, some stuff over here. Here we have a critter. You can see it looks like maybe some of his paint's coming off, but this is a cool little guy, some sort of fiberglass material, but you can see the detail even put on this little random critter out here is just really splendid. And same with, you know, leaves and stuff. Here is a sign about discrimination, so it's nice. The jungle infests them all, and you can see the absolute beautiful work put into all this stuff that's been here for years and years and years. the painting for this little area. I think they had like a photo booth or something out here, and there was a menu sign that would usually sit here with a little cha-cha on the top, which is now gone. But let's take a look inside. As you can see, there is tons of boxes which say retail product, right? That stuff's probably going to get sent to other Rainforest cafes, probably the Atlantic City one if it has the New Jersey stuff on it. You can see that is just all stuff that's going to be sent away. Here we have some little tables. That's a really cool design feature right there. All right, I'm gonna keep moving down this way, and you can see, wow, what a unique place. This was the bar underneath another mushroom. All the chairs are gone. You might remember maybe the giraffe chair. These would mist and there would be stuff in there. From what I can see, the gorillas might be in there still, but it's really hard to tell because their fur is black. And I can't really tell, but I imagine the gorillas are probably still in there. Really nice place here. Once again, going through the grate. You can see the aquarium, which, because there was stuff with the fish that just bubbles in it, like a little bubble machine thing that would just like bubble. Over here, little crack, more gorilla there. Now, something really interesting is you can see, I guess they're sending a lot of stuff away. That looks like that's not going to the dumpster, I don't believe. I think that might be, I mean, it could be, but it seems like it's almost going to another place. They have these things that say Disney Springs on it, so it looks like maybe a lot of the stuff could be going to other Rainforest cafes. I don't know, I think that must be the location these are going to, these little shelving units. See, they have some Christmas displays back there. And you can see something I really like are these little like frogs and birds hanging in the ceiling. Another view. They must still be working on stuff in here, but it's dark in there. Can't really see much. You can see our buddy Cha-Cha over there. Still hanging to the wall. Really just such a unique place, and I'm so honored that I've been able to come to many of these. Not many of these, to many of, I'm very lucky to have many visits here. Well, I could. And then just a little bit over there, some shelving. But yeah, guys, I think get another view right here. I think it's time for now. I mean, I might come back again, but at least for now, just the detail and everything, and a little snaky guy. Wow. Really detailed snake. All right, I will be heading out now. It's almost 9 o'clock, which is when they close. And yeah, so thank you, Rainforest Cafe, and be well.